Google has taken a significant step in the fight against cybercrime by filing a lawsuit against a group of hackers in China. This legal action targets a phishing platform known as Lighthouse, which reportedly has tricked over 1 million users worldwide and generated more than $1 billion through various scams. The lawsuit was filed in the U.S. District Court for the Southern District of New York, highlighting the global reach of this illicit operation. Lighthouse is part of a broader phishing-as-a-service ecosystem, which has been linked to large-scale SMS phishing attacks that exploit trusted brands to steal sensitive financial information. Reports indicate that this platform has been used to send fraudulent messages that lure victims into providing personal data. Next, we'll explore the implications of this lawsuit, the nature of the phishing operations, and how Google plans to combat these cyber threats moving forward. If you found this update helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to InfoSec Now for the latest cybersecurity news. Your support really helps us continue building useful content for cybersecurity professionals. The Lighthouse phishing operation represents a significant evolution in the cybercrime landscape, particularly through its innovative use of phishing-as-a-service (PaaS) models. These platforms, including Lighthouse, have streamlined the process for cybercriminals, allowing even those with limited technical skills to launch sophisticated phishing campaigns. By exploiting trusted brands, they can create highly convincing scams that target unsuspecting users. Recent analysis from cybersecurity experts reveals that the interconnectedness of PaaS platforms fosters a collaborative environment among cybercriminals. This synergy not only enhances their operational efficiency but also leads to the rapid dissemination of tactics and tools across different syndicates. For instance, the smishing triad, which is known to use Lighthouse alongside other PaaS platforms like Darkula and Lucid, exemplifies how these networks function. This collaboration is evident in the way they share resources and strategies, making it increasingly challenging for law enforcement and cybersecurity firms to disrupt their activities. Furthermore, the scope of the Lighthouse operation is staggering. Reports indicate that it has been linked to over 17,500 phishing domains targeting a wide array of brands, impacting consumers across 74 countries. This extensive reach underscores the global nature of the threat posed by such cybercrime syndicates and highlights the need for international cooperation in combating these threats. The recent legal action taken by Google, while impactful, is just one piece of a larger puzzle. As the cybercriminal ecosystem continues to adapt, experts warn that we may see a shift in tactics as these groups seek to evade detection. The temporary disruption of Lighthouse operations following Google's lawsuit serves as a crucial reminder of the ongoing battle between cybersecurity firms and cybercriminals. Although this legal effort has resulted in significant setbacks for the Lighthouse operation, the persistent nature of these threats necessitates continuous vigilance and adaptation by cybersecurity professionals. As the landscape evolves, the introduction of new technologies and methods, such as Ghost Tap, further complicates the fight against cybercrime. This tool exemplifies how cybercriminals are leveraging advancements in digital wallets to perpetrate fraud, illustrating a concerning trend where traditional phishing methods are being augmented with innovative techniques to exploit vulnerabilities in payment systems. In conclusion, while the lawsuit against Lighthouse marks a critical step in addressing the pervasive issue of phishing, it also highlights the necessity for ongoing efforts to dismantle the broader cybercrime ecosystem. The interconnected nature of these operations means that addressing one element alone will not suffice. A comprehensive approach is essential to effectively combat the ever-evolving tactics employed by cybercriminals. The Lighthouse phishing scheme has far-reaching consequences that extend beyond the immediate financial impact on victims. As the operation has been dismantled, experts are assessing the ripple effects within the broader cybercrime ecosystem. The disruption of Lighthouse's infrastructure, as evidenced by the removal of associated Telegram channels and the blocking of their cloud servers, signals a potential shift in tactics among cybercriminals. While this action has temporarily curtailed Lighthouse's operations, the adaptability of cybercriminals is a well-documented concern. Analysts warn that these actors may pivot to alternative methods or platforms, employing new phishing kits or even returning to older, less sophisticated techniques. This resilience underscores the need for continuous vigilance and innovation in cybersecurity measures. Moreover, the interconnected nature of these cybercrime syndicates raises questions about the future landscape of phishing-as-a-service platforms. The collaboration observed between Lighthouse and other groups like Darkula and Lucid indicates a thriving ecosystem where knowledge and resources are shared. This interconnectedness suggests that as one operation is disrupted, others may quickly fill the void, potentially leading to an even more complex array of threats. The legal actions taken by Google also highlight a growing trend among tech companies to actively engage in combating cybercrime through litigation. This could set a precedent encouraging other organizations to follow suit, thereby creating a more hostile environment for cybercriminals. However, the efficacy of such legal measures in deterring future attacks remains to be seen, particularly as the cybercrime landscape evolves. As the dust settles from the Lighthouse operation, experts are closely monitoring the behavior of smishing syndicates and their response to this disruption. The potential for new phishing campaigns to emerge, utilizing stolen techniques or adapting existing frameworks, remains a significant concern. The ongoing battle against cybercrime is far from over, and the need for robust cybersecurity strategies will only grow as attackers continue to adapt. As the landscape of cybersecurity evolves, the implications of Google's lawsuit against the Lighthouse phishing operation extend far beyond this single case. This legal action highlights a growing trend in which tech giants are taking a proactive stance against cybercrime, advocating not only for their own interests but also for the protection of consumers globally. By targeting the infrastructure of phishing-as-a-service platforms, companies like Google are setting a precedent for how the industry can combat organized cybercrime. Moreover, the interconnected nature of cybercriminal networks, as seen with the collaboration between Lighthouse and other platforms like Darkula and Lucid, underscores the need for a unified response. The existence of these platforms indicates a sophisticated ecosystem where knowledge and resources are shared among cybercriminals, making it essential for cybersecurity professionals to stay ahead of emerging threats. As these syndicates adapt and evolve, so too must the strategies employed by law enforcement and cybersecurity firms. The disruption of Lighthouse's operations following the lawsuit demonstrates the potential impact of legal measures on cybercrime. However, experts caution that while this is a significant victory, it may only be a temporary setback for these actors. Cybercriminals are known for their resilience and ability to quickly pivot to new tactics and infrastructures. As Google anticipates, attackers will likely alter their methods in response to increased scrutiny and legal pressure. In addition, the rise of technologies like Ghost Tap, which allows cybercriminals to add stolen card details to digital wallets, illustrates the increasing sophistication of these threats. This innovation within the cybercrime ecosystem poses a significant challenge for cybersecurity efforts, as traditional defenses may struggle to adapt to such advanced tactics. The ongoing dialogue within cybercriminal forums and the shared terminology among actors further complicates the landscape. It highlights the importance of intelligence sharing and collaboration among cybersecurity professionals to dismantle these networks effectively. As the industry moves forward, fostering partnerships between private companies, law enforcement, and international agencies will be crucial in combating the pervasive threat of cybercrime. Ultimately, the implications of this lawsuit extend to consumers, businesses, and governments alike. As cyber threats continue to escalate, a comprehensive and cooperative approach to cybersecurity will be essential in safeguarding digital environments and ensuring the integrity of online transactions. The fight against cybercrime is far from over, and the outcomes of legal actions like Google's could shape the future of cybersecurity strategies worldwide. If you found this update helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to InfoSec Now for the latest cybersecurity news. Your support really helps us continue building useful content for cybersecurity professionals.